In terms of geology, the deposit is hosted in what we call Archean rocks, very similar to all the other major deposits in the Abitibi. We have multi-kilometer strike length. One of our targets, the porphyry target, the low-grade target, is at least a couple of kilometers in length. So it gives us that potential that it's there. We just need to keep drilling it. We basically drilled it from surface to about 300 meters. The next phase of drilling will go down to the 400-meter plus mark. So it'll give us a much bigger window in terms of the low-grade potential. We do have other targets on the property, half a dozen. Some of these will be incorporated into a current or more current NI 43-101 resource estimate, which should be out towards the end of June. We're also looking at doing some metallurgy, more advanced metallurgy on a deposit. So we've identified basically a service provider that'll help us do that. So all this work is leading up towards preliminary economic assessment later on this year, and eventually feasibility as we go into 2013. So our plans are quite aggressive, simply because we believe that this target has multi-million ounce potential.
On a go-forward basis, we intend on updating our resource estimate and developing a drill program to continue to expand the resource. This will be included in our 43-101, which we release. We've also in the process of doing metallurgical work on the porphyry side of the deposit. There has been historical metallurgical work done on the Douay West deposit, the higher grade section of the deposit. We are now doing some preliminary metallurgical work on the porphyry section of the deposit. We will release the results of that met testing when we're finished.